This unit has a direct elevator. As you walk out, there's a gorgeous living room to the right. This staircase will take you to the deck. It's only one flight upstairs to the rooftop. And then you have a kitchen and the 2 bedrooms over there. So we'll start on this side. It's a very, very spacious living room with absolutely gorgeous river views. You can see the Longfellow Bridge, the head shell. And then here we have the kitchen. We have granite countertops. Good size fridge. And this is looks like a split dishwasher. So you have two levels of the dishwasher, which is really cool. And then over here on this side we have the 2 bedrooms. So off the hallway is the bathroom. It's a 2-bath apartment, so this is one full bath. And this one has a walk-in shower. You can see it's beautiful and updated. Really nice finishes. Off this hallway, you also have some storage. You have a closet right here, and laundry is right over here as well. And then on the other side of the floor plan, you have the 2 bedrooms here. So this is a smaller one, but it's still super spacious, and it can fit a king-size bed. And this is a sunny side. It's facing the Boston side. So the other one was facing the river, and then Cambridge side, and this is facing. You can see all the beautiful buildings. And then you have a closet right here, so excellent storage throughout the building. I mean the unit. And then this is the bigger bedroom, so this is the primary. Very large. Also sunny, facing south, the back bay side. And then you have more storage here. And up there, there you go. Same thing on this side. And this one has its own bath as well. This one has a tub. Another linen closet right over here. And this is the tub. You can see it's beautifully done. And there is another closet in this bedroom as well, right over here. And we're back in the living room.